Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. I am so excited to be here with you sharing a project featuring the most wonderful time product medley. If you missed my video yesterday, I'm actually doing a series this entire week featuring the most wonderful time product medley, and yesterday I unboxed the medley with you, and I will link to the unboxing of the medley down below in the video description. And today I'm going to be sharing my first project with you. So just a quick reminder of how the series will work this week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm sharing a video tutorial with you here on my YouTube channel. They will be loaded around 7 p.m. Central Time on those days. And then on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, I will be sharing a project blog post that will be exclusively over on my blog. And you can find the link to my website just down below in the video description, but it is www.QuitaBugHandmaids.com. So you can check those out on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So today I'm going to share with you how to create this super cute card, and we are going to be changing up the designer paper just a little bit because I've used up all of that designer paper for the sample card. Okay, so I've got everything I need here ready to go. So I'm just going to get out the pieces that I am going to stamp on. I'm going to also bring in my piercing mat because that is really helpful when you are working with a photopolymer stamp set. So I die cut this pear pizzazz tree and then this cute little whisper white label. Isn't this so cute? I love the little ends on this label and the neat little design, how it's wide on the outside and slims down in the center. I love that, so cute. So I die cut that out of Whisper White, and I used the coordinating Most Wonderful Time dies from that product medley. And I am going to stamp on top of my pear pizzazz tree using Old Olive. So I'll just ink this up. And I love how it looks when you, I'm gonna pull my sleeves down, this is felt uncomfortable. I love how it looks when you stamp a coordinating like darker color on a lighter color cardstock. So this is photopolymer, so I can see through, and hopefully I did a good job lining that up. And let's check it. Not bad. Could have been better, but it's not bad. I might re-die cut this and try again. You can see I got a little bit too far over to the left, so I might do that again. We'll see. Then for my sentiment, I'm going to bring in my Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I am going to stamp the Oh Christmas Tree. Scoot that down where I can see it. There we go. Okay, so I went ahead and die cut another one of those trees. So let's bring this in closer and take two on the tree. Let's see. Please be lined up better. I feel like I stamped this one more to the right this time. Oh my goodness. You know, it's really early when I'm doing this. Oh, that's better. That's actually a lot better, so I'll show you the difference. See how this one's more lined up than this one? You've got all this space over here on the right, so we'll go with this one. Yay. Okay, so let's start putting this card together now. Yeah, I'm filming this video early in the morning. As you can see, I'm still in my pajamas, so it may be a little too early to be filming. I can't line things up. Okay, so for my card base, I have got real red cardstock here. This is 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and I've scored it at 4.25 inches. And we'll just give it a nice crease with the bone folder. Okay. Okay, and then I have got a piece of basic black cardstock. This is cut 4 inches by 5.25 inches, and I am going to layer on top this piece of designer paper, which comes in the product medley. So this is cut, let's see, 3 7/8 of an inch by 5 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to layer this right on top, and it just gives a tiny little black border. I'll layer that on with snail. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and adhere this onto my card front. Alrighty, there we go. Okay, so then I have got this piece, which is just the reverse side of this designer paper, and this is cut 2 inches by 4¼ inches, and I am just going to layer this right across my card front, right about here. Yeah, I think that looks good. And you can make this card using 1 piece of 6x6 designer series paper. And after you cut these 2 pieces, there's actually a tiny little piece left, 2 tiny pieces left that you could even do something with. But so you could actually make 8 of these cards using 1 design from the designer paper, because you get 8 6x6 sheets of each of the patterns. So there we go. Then I used my layering oval dies to die cut a piece of basic black and a piece of whisper white. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere these together. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to use dimensionals. Whoa. I'm going to use dimensionals to adhere this onto my card front. I'm also going to put dimensionals onto my little tree, and then I'm going to put some on the back of my sentiment. Okay, so let's start adding all of these pieces on here. So I'm going to put my oval. Actually, I think I'll put my sentiment on first. That'll help me get placement for my oval. There we go. So I'll just put this right about here. Looks very cute. And then I will put this one, yeah. Then you can get your placement right if you put that down first. Put this right about there. Next, this cute little tree. I love the look of this tree. It just looks so fluffy. I love it. I'm going to put the tree right about there. And then lastly, I die cut this cute little gold star using the Most Wonderful Time dies and some of our gold foil. And I'm just going to use a glue dot to pop this star on at the top of my tree. Right about there, looks good. Okay, and there you have the completed card. I love this card, and I love just the little touches of gold and that designer series paper. So cute. I love, love, love this layout. So of course I did go ahead and stamp one of our Whisper White envelopes, put that little tree on there in the old olive. So I love it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed our first project featuring the Most Wonderful Time product medley. I love it. So, and I would love to know which one of these is your favorite. It's kind of hard to see a difference because the real red and the old olive are flipped in the 2 different designer paper designs. But which one is your favorite? Let's see. I don't know. I just love the layout, and I really can't see a difference. I can't see a difference. I love them both. But anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. You can find all of the measurements and over on today's blog post, and a full supply list over there as well. And I do have the supplies in the video description with clickable links, so you can place your order today. And there is still time to get your hands on this medley. And stay tuned for the rest of the week as I'll be sharing more project inspiration featuring the Most Wonderful Time product medley. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye now.